Okay, first grade. So for this week's lesson, I want to start with a refresher. So for today's lesson, I'd like for you to pull out your dry erase board and make your board look just like mine, okay? Write the same exact numbers I have and leave the same lines next to them that I have. And when you're ready, fill in the before and after number by 1. Okay, so in this case, the before number would be 175. And the after number would be, if I'm looking at this number, 177. Try to do this in a different color marker now. Pause this video and fill in your answers. This is what your board should look like after you've filled it in. Check your answers, make sure they're right. Once you're done with filling in the ones before and after, go ahead and erase your dry erase board and write these 3 problems, all right? And we're going to go ahead and fill in the answers while we're at it. Remember, we're gonna start on the one side, so we're gonna cover this side and do 5 plus 4 first, okay? Then we're gonna do 3 plus 2, and we're gonna write our answer down here. Same thing here, we're gonna start on the one side, so we're gonna cover this side, and 0 minus 0, what does that equal? Then 7 minus 2. Same thing here. Please try to write your answers in different colors if you have the markers available. These are the answers you should have. Make sure to check if your answers are the same as mine. Now you guys are gonna come across a problem that asks you to bubble in all the squares divided into half, okay? I just wanna remind you what half can look like. Half can look like that because those are 2 equal parts. So just imagine you need to share this between 2 people, split it between 2 people, and it has to be fair. Both of them need to have the same amount, okay? You have to split it into half. This can be split equally, so that's half. This one is split equally, so that's half. Now, I'm just gonna show you one that looks like this. Is that split equally? Do both people get an equal share of that? No, right? So when you see boxes that look like that, or the line might be down here instead, that's not in half. Half is something that could be shared by 2 people equally. This is not half. One person is gonna get a much smaller piece. Another type of math problem you're gonna come across looks like this, where the top has a ones and a tens digit, but the bottom number doesn't, okay? When you see that there's only one number on the bottom, imagine an invisible 0 right next to it, okay? So 3 minus 2 is 1. 3 minus 0 is 3. Okay, so 33 minus 2 is 31. Okay, for page 240, it tells you to listen to your teacher. So I'm going to say these 6 things. These are your 6 problems. So number 1 says, choose a circle divided into fourths. Number 2 says, mark under the equation that doesn't belong. One of those equations looks different than the other ones. Which one is it? Number 3 says, choose the odd number. Which one of those numbers is not even? Number 4, which number is 2 more than 5? 2 more than 5. Number 5, which number is 3 plus 6? Number 6, which one is half of 10?